Welcome to day 12 of Waxvent, guys. This is actually my video, so we can see we've got some dry chunks of wax in here right at the entrance to the canal. So we're just going to nip those out quickly. So this is coming. There we go. Just going to get this one side.
And then it's all done.
And then we're all finished. There we go. Yeah, it is coming very well. Guys, lots of people have sent us lovely headgear to wear throughout the Christmas Waxvent period. Some of them are green, and because we shoot against the green screen, we keep forgetting. So you might see you might just see like random stripes above our head or something like that, or just some random lights because the bit is mounted to it disappears on the green screen. So yeah, thank you very much for everyone who's done that. That was been awesome. That. We've got so many now. It's brilliant. I don't think we're going to get them all on before the end of Waxvent. I don't think. No, we do love it. We do love it. We'd be a bit spoilt for choice because we've got so many different ones we could have worn. We just have which one to wear. This is cool. I've got flashy ones. We've got sparkly ones. We've got bunch of bells on.
Yeah, that going.
Well, yeah, guys, that was 3/8 of an inch.
Oh, 3/4 centimetre.
Wow. Well, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can always consider becoming members of the channel as well. That way, then you get even more videos. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you at day 13. Bye, everybody.
Bye.